title and you can't tell by my attire, I'm hitting you guys with another skincare routine. The first one I did was with my mom, so if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna need y'all to go check it out. But I thought to myself, I might as well just do another one by myself because my skincare routine is always changing. I feel like just like my makeup routine, I'm always trying to find like my favorite combinations of products together and what really does well for my skin. And also it's getting cold outside. As the seasons change, my skin goes through a different phase. Sometimes in the wintertime, my skin gets dry. It's just a whole lot, so I'm always changing stuff up. I also bought some new beauty products that I'm excited to try, which when I say I got new products, they are newer to me, but I didn't really want this video to be a first impression video because I feel like, okay, it's cool, I'm trying new products, but I can't really tell y'all how I feel about them or how they've done for my skin at all because I haven't used them. So instead of doing a first impression video, some of them are still newer products, but I've been using them for like a week or two just so I could actually like let y'all know if I actually like rock with them, you know what I'm saying? The main one is the Kylie Skin foaming face wash, and when I tell y'all, like, let me first, before I even get into it, right, I am a supporter of Kylie, okay? I helped make her a billionaire, period. I got this because I needed an actual face wash. I didn't like my last one, but as much as I wanted to try her eye cream, toner, all that type of stuff, I have a toner that I like right now. I have an eye cream that I like right now, so I was just like, well, I'll get it when I actually need it. It didn't break me out. I had no issues with it. It's honestly a bomb face wash. It gets my makeup off, no problem. Once I finish this bottle, I will go back and literally get another one. Like, I really actually like, out of all the face washes I've ever used, this is probably like literally my favorite. As far as the second new product, I have this Rose Petals Rosewater Facial Toner. This is bomb as well. It's the reason why I did not try her toner because I already liked it. It does good for my skin, and I was just like, I really don't feel like trying a new toner. God forbid something happened to my skin if I did. I'd be tight. And lastly, this is a serum that came in my Ipsy bag, and I thought that I would just include it into this because I actually started using it, and it's actually really nice. Your skin literally does like tingle though. Like, I won't say it hurts. It might hurt to somebody else, but it like, not stings. I don't really know how to explain it, but when it came in my Ipsy bag, there was like a little warning on the label that it does actually kind of like tingle when you put it on, which I don't really know what that's about. But it's doing something and my skin looks good. Okay, let's get into the routine. To start off, when it comes to, actually, first of all, before we start off anything, even though I have this headband on, sometimes when I lean forward, my hair be trying to bop bop, go down. Ooh, the word. Where's the word? That's what I was saying. When it comes to makeup, even though Kylie's stuff gets my makeup off like easy, breezy, lemon squeezy, I don't like to rely only on that because I feel like no matter how many times I rinse and do all that, I end up drying off my face and somehow makeup is still on my face. You know what I'm saying? So, handy dandy cotton ball, and you already know what it is. This was in my last skincare video, my micellar cleansing water. Boom bow.
Never the type to act like my way or the highway, but if I want it, got a red dot on it like it's Tarjay. He asking, do you really need it?
I like to take Q-tips and get off like eyeliner and clean off mascara off my lashes. Alright, next thing is my Kylie Skin, which, so y'all know that I'm not lying. Y'all see that it's halfway down, okay? I actually used it for like 2 weeks and some change, so I know what I'm talking about. So she says 1 pump, which is like that much. Y'all saw that bubble?
Niggas ask, can they pay for this? He like, whatever you want, I got it. He told me get in, we shopping. You know what I am?
I'm taking my toner, and I don't put like a ton on, but honestly just like enough to cover like my face and my neck. I got makeup all on my collar. It's cool. Next, after that, I take this Olay energizing spray. And this is honestly just like a hydrating spray. After you're washing your face, it's just nice to kind of refresh and like put some moisturization. I don't know where I was going with that. Back into your face. I use it sometimes over my makeup. It just honestly gives my skin like a really nice glow. Next thing is my serum that I got in my Ipsy bag. Which it says it's supposed to minimize lines and create definition. When I use serums and stuff like this, my main thing is for fine line prevention. Guys, I'm not necessarily gonna see like something that's meant for fine lines. If you don't have fine lines, you're not gonna see a result necessarily right away, but it's nice to just take care of your skin so that you don't end up dealing with things you don't want to deal with later on in life. My mom's skin is amazing. When I grow up, I want to look like her. Next, I'm using my Adiva Naturals Herbal Facial Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer because I like to feel my moisturizer on my face, but I don't like it to like stay greasy. Not greasy, but it's giving the results that I'm talking about. All natural products. It's really, really cooling and hydrating to the skin, and it's just overall a bomb product.
Told them retail therapy is real.
Hold on. Oh. So my camera kind of cut off, but I put on my Glow Lab facial oil. And I use like 2 drops of that. It smells so good, like, oh my gosh, wow. And this is also one of the newer products that I just recently started using. And literally 2 drops is enough to cover my whole face down to my neck. Lastly, in this skin routine is my soothing eye serum with Manuka honey. And I really like this eye serum because it's not like your traditional eye cream. It's like a metal roller ball, which is really, really nice, especially in the mornings if you're a person that like wakes up and you kind of have like a puffiness going on. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed my new product review, skincare routine. Y'all want me to review some more products, go ahead and let me know down in the comments and I will see what I can do. Like, comment, subscribe, give me some video ideas, let me know how you feel, let me know if you've tried Kylie stuff and if you liked it, and I will see y'all in the next video.
He like, whatever you want, I got it. He told me get in, we shopping. You know what I am, popping.